Hi, my name's Dave Coda from PropM Property Management. I want to talk to you today about owner maintenance. When I mean owner maintenance is you own the home or homes or apartment complexes or buildings, and you know we got to maintain them, right? So there's certain things that I think are neglected that need to happen more often than they do. Dryer vent cleaning is a good one. When is the last time any of us cleaned our dryer vents? Maybe you're one of the few that just did it, and if you did, good for you, and tell one of your friends to do it, because I haven't recently, but I'm going to. And I actually have a couple of them scheduled. I just need to schedule more. So dryer vent cleaning is one. Gutter cleaning pretty much happens often, because if you don't, it's obvious, right? They overflow and bad things can happen. But there's some other things that we should think about is service contracts on your HVAC system, so your heating and air conditioning system. Have it serviced, twice a year. They're expensive items, what, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8,000, depending on what you're doing or more. So if you maintain it, $3, $4, $500 a year maybe, sounds like a lot. However, if you're protecting that piece of equipment, that'll last longer. Yes, a tenant is supposed to be changing these things. However, at the end of the day, it's your home, your air conditioner, your stuff. So I try to offer as much service as I can to the property. What that generally does is it gets me a little bit more rent, and it also keeps those tenants, because they go, this is nice, the guy fixes this, it's great. So I think in the end, you come out ahead by taking good care of your property and doing some routine maintenance. Take a look at our newsletters that come out monthly with your owner statements. They give you some good tips each month on things you can think of, or things we suggest, I should say, to do. Again, think about your home, roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, things like that. It's nice to spruce it up. When it does turn in a new tenant, you're going to get top dollar rents, because you're getting a better look on it because it's updated. So anyway, take care of your property as well as you can. It will pay rewards.